factor the quantity a plus 3 squared minus 2 times the quantity a plus 3 minus 35. Well, the first thing I notice is that this a plus 3 is in two places. So I'll use something called substitution, where I'll replace a plus 3 with, I like to use the letter u because it's not used very often. So I'll let u be a plus 3. And then here, I'll go ahead and put u squared minus 2, and then this, again, I'm replacing with u, minus 35. What that does for me is it just cleans up the problem, and it looks a little less complex. So now I'll factor this. I know that u squared has to be u times u. This is a trinomial. Factors of 35 that will add or subtract to give me 2 would be 5 times 7. And to get a negative 2, I'd have to have a positive 5 and a negative 7, which gives me the negative 35. Now, I look at this and it looks completely factored, but if you look back at the original problem, there's no u in the problem. So the final step then is to go ahead and put back the fact that u is really a plus 3. So right here where you see a u, I'll put a plus 3 plus 5. And then here, where I saw the u, I'll put a plus 3. And then I still have my minus 7. Now, one of the rules of factoring is that inside each factor, it must be simplified. So I have like terms inside this one. So this will be a plus 8. And then I also have like terms inside this factor. So this will become a minus 4. That's the complete factored version of this original problem.